Welcome to Rattly Tutorials. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add new products to your Rattly system. After login, you come to the menu on the left side and scroll down to Products. First, we're going to create some categories. Just click that. And after you come to this page, you click the plus sign over here on the right side. We're going to call this category Premium Products. And you can also add a brief description of the category. After that, you click Save. And you see on the product categories that the category will be created. After that, we're going to come again to the menu, scroll down to Products, and click Products. You're going to see that there are some products already in the system, but you can come over here once again on the plus sign, click that, and fill out the information. You put the category, the name of the product. You can add an SKU. If you have, you can also add an image of that product. Over here you can put the cost of the product for us, let's say $35, and how much we charge our client for the product, let's say $80. Over here you can add a brief description of the product, and after that you're gonna put if it's taxable or not, and if you want to send it to QuickBooks. After that you click Save, and you see the product has been created. If you click Products, you're gonna see that product has been added to your database. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I see you in the next one.